Yeah, go ahead. Oh no.
Don't scare me. Come scare me.
Scare mommy. Scare mommy.
Don't play a game.
Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it, Mom! I told you, don't do it! Mom, can you carry me?
You carry me? I thought you were trying to scare me. Oh, funny.
See this?
I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not doing it anymore.
Mom,
Yeah.
I want to get this mask.
Which one?
This mask.
That looks pretty cool. What kind of mask is that, Jalen? Oh, look at this one. Open my hand. Open my hand. Yeah.
Which mask?
Ow. I know. Go.
Mama, I broke it in here. I broke it here, Mom.
My face hurts.
Mom, I broke it here.
Okay, let's go.
Want to see?
No, it's okay. No, let's go keep going. So you want that one? It's too big for you. I don't know whether to say you're an alien or a hockey player. Alien. Are one of those tribes. Yeah. Let's just give you something else. There's a tag on your head, sir. Sir, you got a tag on your head. So you're gonna pay for that? You can't say. Do you have proof of receipt? Proof of dwarfs. Okay. You have to show me the video of it.
Mama, don't do it again.
Want to be Batman?
No, I don't want to be an elf.
Oh, how about this one? That's dangerous.
I don't want to be anything, Mom.
Okay. Okay. Take it off.
Mama, take it. Mom, can you?
Do you want? Honestly, do you want this one?
Mom?
You want to play a game?
No.